This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with an exhibition of a bunch of different things, starting with my 8 by 10 inches. And I've turned the flashlight on my phone. It's over there. And so this time we can see some sparkle. These 8 by 10s are $160. And that is the sale price, marked down 25 cents per square inch. This is delicious. I just love this piece. I thought this was a different direction, but I guess it looks good like this too. Hopefully that reflection isn't too much for you. This is me playing with, I believe, pillow paint and cell activator. I have a series of these videos coming up. And this was same thing. I'm not sure that one's completely done. That might be a stage one. But I just love that gold shimmer. And I have another stack coming right up. And a pile of tools in my way. This is delicious. These were leftover colors. And I'm so pleased with how this turned out. And hopefully you can see without being too disturbed. This is a video coming up. This is just cutesy. This is me practicing my tipping, tilting, whatever you want to call it. This is another one. This has not got a video, I don't believe. And this is another one where I was just using cell activators and house paint. Sometimes I don't use house paint. Sometimes I use whatever's handy. There are a few older pieces. This is one. I think I can't resin these, but I'll tell you what, if you are someone who purchases these and you have resin and you know what you're doing, I would suggest that if you like the way resin looks, you go right ahead and resin one. This is gorgeous. I just love this. This is another practice run. I want to do a much larger painting like this. I just love how the Colourarte products, the prism pores and the primary elements react with my colored cell activators. This is an upcoming video about dragon scales. I accidentally discovered how to make dragon scales, and this might also be a stage one. I may actually just physically draw a dragon face in there and add some limbs. I have one 8 by 10, and the 8 by 10 is, 8 by 8, there I go again, is 130. Bag, and I'm going to get a few things out of my way so I have places to put things. I hope we have enough time. This is delicious. I love this. And I actually brought a measuring tape to this gig so I wouldn't forget. These are, I believe, 12 by 12s, and they are $290. I would refer to these as investment pieces because they're beautiful. I'll make a small adjustment here so I can actually get some of these out of the way. I love this piece. I want to do more like that. This one I'm not 100% sure on all the time. It may get, the orange parts may get adjusted, but it's on a gallery wrapped canvas. And it's got wonderful shimmer, and it has a wonderful watercolor effect. I love the shimmer in this. I'm so glad I thought of using the flashlight on my phone. And I'm going to have to refocus, it occurs to me. And it's still not in focus. Well, we'll give that a try. Hope that works. This is one of my all-time favorite paintings. This is not in the sale. The sale is 25 cents off the regular $2.25 price per square inch. And this is the regular price. This is a private collection piece. You may inquire. My email address is easpbgallery, spelled out, at gmail.com. This one had some texture issues. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that. It has a flaw. It looks like a bug got in and did a little swimming. But I still love it. It's still cool. That one would really receive resin well because it would cover up the flaw. This one, I don't believe I saved. I did not save. I shouldn't have stacked these. I don't believe I did a second part video. I only have the first part, and I love this. It feels like Halloween to me. I think we can zoom in a little bit. I love this piece. And I love this piece. And I left these stacked up here all day, and they're doing very well coming apart without any issues. Here's a piece that's similar to some of the others that are my favorites. Definitely. All-time favorites. You can't beat that. I love the glossy finish from using Josonja varnish added into the mix. It's absolutely gorgeous. Sorry about the cardboard box underneath, but that's where my 14x14s are stashed. I love this. It's definitely a private collection piece. But everything is negotiable. If you decide you'd like to have a collection and buy more artworks, we can work with you. The royal we. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more coming up right over here. And they are not 12x12s. Those are obviously 10x10s. Which I neglected to add into the mix. I love this. I love the watercolor effect when the paints sort of intermingle like that. They're just gorgeous for me. And these are some huge cells. Actually, I believe that this was a bloom pour. Same with this. I believe that's another bloom pour. Just gorgeous. Let me make sure that we're focused as best I can. We have some reflection. Hopefully you can see the painting without the reflection when I tip it. But it does... Oh, this is the first time that I used colored cell activator. And some broke up and some didn't. But I really like it anyway. I think it's a beautiful piece. That doesn't look right side up to me. It is. It's right side up. That's probably me using spirals to attempt to cure whatever wasn't exactly to my liking at the time. But it's exciting. It's got lots of great patterns. This is an all-time favorite for sure. Like I said, prices might be negotiable if you're buying more than one painting, but this is a private collection piece. And what have I got? No, I've got 12x16s coming up after the 14x14s. Put those over here. That was so slick of me. Oh, I'm sorry about that. I see something down there is covered in dog hair. I think I know which one it is too. Well, hopefully move a little bit that way. That'll work. I love this piece. It's as close to private collection as it can get and still be on sale. This is Dragon Womb. And this has got some incredible patterns and colors going on. I'm not sure about this one 100%, but somebody will probably love it. I think this was, I'm not positive, I think this is Oceana. It might be something much newer than that. In fact, it might be a video that's not aired yet. This was a redo, and I love, there's a wonderful texture in there, and great shimmer. And shimmer, shine, and glimmer. This is a private collection piece, which is probably 250 square inch. These are 14x14s, I think I mentioned. Did I tell you? The 14x14s are $395. And if you pick something like this particular one might be more, but I guarantee someday when I'm long dead, actually maybe before then, who knows, it might be more valuable. I expect it to be, actually. This has that watercolor effect that I love so much. I'm going to show you my books shortly. This, I think this was Seahorse Haven, and this is another beauty. Great shimmer and glimmer and shine. And I'm going to move a few of these away. I should check my time and make sure we have enough. But we're so close, it shouldn't make any difference. I did mix, these are 8700 series with some others mixed in. Occasionally there were a few that got missed in the first exhibition of the, or whichever exhibition it was, of the 8600s. I tried to do too much and missed a few. This is fantastic. This is just so unbelievable. I'm not a huge fan of yellow, but I'm a huge fan of this painting. The shimmer in there from the Chantilly lace, you can see it. It's just riddled with it. It's gorgeous. Totally gorgeous. I should totally make sure that we're in focus. And I hope the shimmer shows. This is one of my recent dance parties. And it is also a private collection. I expect to continue to make a series of these over time. I have another new one I haven't aired yet. It may come up in the next exhibition of larger works. This top piece, it's a 12 by 16, and it is in need of readjusting my viewfinder. This was pillow paint and cell activator, and just black Meeden paint, I believe. And I think it was probably also spun out. But it was a great experiment, and it's coming right up. This could go either vertically or horizontally. Yeah. I prefer it horizontally, actually. And it has got the cat's pajamas for shimmer. Shimmer, gleam, and shine. Just gorgeous. And I'm so glad I could show you this next one with the light on, because it deserves to be seen. With its shimmer, because the shimmer really makes all the difference in the world with this one. So I'm down to my last painting, and then I'm going to show you my two books. Because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. They're on the Amazon link. The Amazon link is on the link tree. The link tree is under Show More. There is currently a Colourarte, Prism Pour and Primary Elements and Resin and Tools and you name it, bling it, sale. 25% off until July 22nd. My coupon code as an affiliate is underneath the video. Should you want to do that, it will translate to 25% off. I love this piece. I think I may or may not have included this in the last exhibition video, but I'm glad to be able to include it again because it's a beauty. So did I tell you that the 16 by 20s are, woo, this is not a 16 by 20, this is 12 by 16, are $385. Woo, that was weird. All right, I think this could go either way, but I like it as a vertical myself. And it is the right way up. And then I will share with you, because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. The first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube, still current and relevant. I wanted to make sure to tell you guys I have 2,700 video tutorials, 2,600 of which are easily found by topic and genre and by the 100. And if you can't find them, I can help you because I have all the links saved. And I'm happy to answer your questions. So if you have a question, please leave me a question. If you're looking for tomorrow's video, or you need to know which any of those paintings has a video with it, I can hook you up. You just let me know the time you saw the painting. And also, if you're contacting me, if you're interested in making a purchase, use my email address. It's easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. On my link tree, you will find all kinds of links, including my website and Society 6, Le Galerist clothing, and pretty much including pixels.com, Fine Art America. If you can't find what you're looking for and you've seen something you'd like to have reproduced, I can do that for you. Not a problem. Spring clothing, the same thing under the video. Gosh, I think that's pretty much it. I love you guys. I post regularly. I post at 2:15 Eastern Standard Time. Lately I changed it from 3:15. Hope to see you around. Feel free to stop by and leave me a comment. And what else was I going to say? I've covered up my crib sheet over there, or I used it. You know what? I've got it. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. My paint pouring recipes are under every other video except for the exhibition videos. When you share my video, you help me out. I really appreciate it. Please, can I have a thumbs up? Thank you for the PayPal donations. You can find the icon on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. And at some future point, I hope to still do a drawing so that you can win a painting for those of you who decide that you'd like to help support the studio. Don't forget my Amazon link has my 2 books on it, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And 4 lists of tools and paint and all kinds of awesome stuff there. Please also don't forget I'm a Colourarte affiliate, and there's a 25% off coupon code good until July 22nd, and after that it will go back to being 20% off. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out. See you anon.